Umantri katnat puli puthi urakam sangma ulaitu akiyeng dorbar bakidon hadu sauspa arpotli ki kam balaj aki school SSA bat 6000 arspa khatkhandaitli ki kam hikai haki school sarkar pathung hadu menta ulaitu rubakidon ki school ki balashuthung shipor namar patla panthung nakadaw jong roster system ulaitu rubakidon khandai spa lightly ki school ki badon tanghapo arphongut ki nong hikai nangta saupsantli ki school LP ki badon tanghapo shiphongut ki khena school banrupu artli ki school UP ki badon tangiwei khena school yakane ulaitu akajinkli blawanra toba Charles Marngar MLA Kamau Hati.
We move on to next question number 83. Sri Rakham Esama, Minister in charge, to reply, please.
Speaker, sir, the reply to question number 83 is the status of the vacancies of SSA teacher. Lower primary 102, upper primary 292, secondary 26. Under SSA, total is 420. B, sir, the status of vacancies of government teachers. Lower primary 1002, upper primary 41, secondary 125, and higher secondary 51. Total 1290.
Charles Mangla, your supplementary, please.
Yes, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, yes, we had a discussion yesterday also regarding this matter. But, sir, when we look at the answer replied by our Honorable Minister, it is a huge number of vacant posts. The total vacancies of SSA is 420, and the vacant posts of government teachers is 1,200. May I know from the Honorable Minister in charge, Education, for those vacancies of SSA and government teachers, the officiating teachers was appointed or not for the last 2-3 years?
Sir, with respect to government secondary and higher secondary, so there are a number of teachers already engaged on temporary basis. But sir, for LP school, government LP school, except the increase of division, so last 1 year, almost 2 years, we have not engaged in a temporary appointment. But sir, just to as a temporary arrangement, because of all of complexity, till the proper recruitment process is completed, government has decided to send temporary teacher to all these 1,200 schools immediately, sir.
One more supplementary question, sir. As per my information, sir, this matter has been pending for the last 2-3 years. It's happened in my district, Riboy district also. So may I know from the Honorable Minister in charge of education, when will the government of Meghalaya and the Education Department will conduct interview for the SSA teachers and also for the government teachers in our state?
Sir, Speaker, so with regards to SSA, as the number of schools that has been detected having very low enrollment, so there are schools, there are 900 and there are 903 number of schools having enrollment less than 20 number. There are 45 number of lower primary school having single digit number of enrollment of students. And in the lower primary, and 62 upper primary schools having a single digit enrollment, and the number of schools having zero enrollment. So the process of rationalization is also on, and so for with respect to the government LP school teachers vacancies, due to Honorable Court order for roster system implementation, so the process has been delayed. But department is on the job. And when the things will complete it, we will put up adjustment and proper recruitment will be happen immediately, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, yes, we know that there are many schools which have less enrollment. But, sir, for those schools who have good enrollments, I suggest the government of the day, especially the education department, to speed up this matter at the earliest possible, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir, the matter will be examined, sir.
Yes, Saling Samas, please.
Sir, through you, Mr. Speaker, sir, Honorable Speaker, sir, we have seen recently the examinations of matriculations, and the class 12 has already been, I think it's still going on or it's already done. But what we can see is that in secondary school, 125 numbers, and the higher secondary school, 51 numbers of teachers are missing. So what do we expect from the students, the result, if we cannot fill up the teachers? Now, as the report, there are some report that even in government Tura MP school and then government William Nagar government higher secondary school, higher secondary school, and then William Nagar higher secondary school, they are not having the maths teacher. Then how do they supposed to pass the matriculations, even the class 12, if they are not having the maths teacher? What kind of result that we will be expecting? So I would like to request to you, Honorable Speaker, sir, if this kind of missing gap can be filled up at the earliest.
Sir,